Good morning, my students. How are you feeling these days? Ma'am, please don't ask. घर में रह के बोर हो गए हैं. Don't worry, my kids. Now you will never feel boring because your teacher will never let you feel so. Welcome back to your own platform. English is fun. Students, let me tell you 5 steps to start each morning. First of all, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Open your arms wide. Feel your heartbeat and say, "It's too early. Let me sleep again." Really, ma'am? No, my kids. Actually, I was joking. Students, in our previous video, we have attempted the exercises given in our Marigold book. In today's video, we'll learn about picture composition. Students, do you know what is picture composition? No, ma'am. हमारी मैम है ना, वो बताएंगी. Because वो बहुत अच्छी हैं. हाँ, रहने दो. Students, अब पिक्चर का नेम सुनते ही आपके माइंड में ढेर सारी पिक्चर्स रिवॉल्व कर रही होंगी ना. Students, picture composition is an art to express your views by observing the ideas given in the picture. It can be expressed verbal or written. That means picture composition एक ऐसा आर्ट है जिसमें पिक्चर्स को ऑब्जर्व करके उसमें दी गई डिटेल्स एंड आइडियाज को एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है. अब चाहे वो आइडियाज वर्बल हो या फिर रिटन. स्टूडेंट्स, पिक्चर composition will help you to boost your writing skills. So, today we will frame some sentences by looking at the pictures. Students, if आपको कभी पिक्चर composition attempt करना हो तो आपको कुछ रूल्स अपने माइंड में फिक्स करने होंगे. And those are as follows. Rule number 1, observe. जब भी आपको कोई भी पिक्चर दी जाती है, आपको उसे केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व करना है एंड उसमें दी गई डिटेल्स को ऑब्जर्व करने की कोशिश करनी है. रूल नंबर 2, पॉइंट आउट एंड आइडेंटिफाई. दैट मीन्स आपको पिक्चर में दिए गए ईच एंड एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट को आइडेंटिफाई करना है एज वेल एज पॉइंट आउट करना है. यू शुड नो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट आर गिवन इन द पिक्चर. रूल नंबर 3, frame sentences. Students, after identifying the things given in the picture, you will start framing sentences. That means आप sentence write करना start कर दोगे. Rule number 4, check errors. Students, after writing sentences, आपको errors mean mistakes find out करनी है. आपको check करना है कि आपने कोई error तो नहीं की है ना, कोई mistakes तो नहीं की है. तो अगर आप ये चाहते हो कि आपके मिस्टेक्स कोई और ना निकाले, आप उसे सबसे पहले खुद ही फाइंड आउट कर लो. सो हियर इज द मोस्ट अवेटेड पार्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो. Ta-da! Here is the picture of a playground. Now you can see that here is a colorful picture. So as per the rule number 1, firstly you have to observe the picture very carefully. Now, according to rule number 2, you have to identify and point out the things. So here you can see there are many children. There are many beautiful flowers. You can also see the swings. You can also see the clouds, the sun and many more. Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. So now, let's point out the objects given in the picture. How many boys are there in the picture? Let's point out. There are 3 boys. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Now let's see how many girls are there. So there are 2 girls, 1 and 2. Students, in the same way, I hope you have identified the objects in the picture. So now let's start framing sentences. I think you all are ready to frame sentences. So, let's get started. Sentence number 1 is, this is a picture of a playground. How many children are there? The second will be, there are 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you tell me what are they doing? Yes, they are playing. So third will be, they are playing. Now students, can you tell me how many flowers are there? There are 10 flowers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So students, can you tell me, where is the sun? Is it on the ground or in the sky? Ma'am, it is in the sky. So, the fifth sentence we have written, the sun is in the sky. So students, now let's check कि हमारे सारे sentences right है या नहीं. So, according to our rule number 4, our sentences are grammatically correct. And now, our picture composition is ready to submit. Students, now I hope you have understood all the things regarding a picture composition. So, now it's time to practice a picture composition in practice time. Look at the picture carefully and write 5 sentences about it. Means आपको क्या करना है? पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखना है and उस पे 5 sentences write करने हैं. So my dear students, follow the rules and frame sentences. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, take care. Have fun. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.